Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and in today's video I will tell you and show you how it is possible to very easily and quickly switch the clock format on your iPhone from 12-hour or 24-hour format. Please, friends, write your comments after the video, be sure to put likes, and also subscribe to our channel. And let's go ahead and get started on this topic. So, for this, you're going to need to go into your phone settings. Go to General here. Next, select Dates and Times. And as you can see, there's a row at the top here for 24-hour time. And if you want to switch from that to 12-hour time, then you'll just need to deactivate that format. And if you want to turn off the 12-hour format, then you will need to activate the 24-hour format. This is how you can quickly and easily switch the clock format on your iPhone, friends. I really hope this video helped you and was useful to you. Please put your likes, write comments, and also subscribe to our channel. See you soon.